If you're struggling with installing Duolingo language and chess app, then in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install Duolingo app from Google Play Store. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now, as you can see, I'm here on my Google Play Store and we have our Duolingo app. But in one way or another, you might be unable to install this. If that is your case, then just go back and open your Google Play Store app afresh and make sure you are trying to install the app while logged in. However, if you are already logged in but you are unable to do this, then head to your profile icon on top here. And in the first method to troubleshoot this issue, we need to go to settings. From settings, look for this option called network preferences. And here you will see three options. Look for the option called app download preference. And here choose the first option over any network. This will ensure that you are able to install or download Duolingo language app over any network that you are currently connected to. Save this by tapping on OK. Then go and try to install your app and everything should now be okay. However, if this doesn't work, then the problem might be with Google Play Store app itself. For that, go to Google Play Store app, find it, and then just long press on it like this and look for app info. If you don't see app info, you should see a settings gear next to this bar or even the name of the app. Tap on any of these to access Play Store app information page. You can also access Play Store app information page via settings. At this point, we want to clear the app data. As you can see, we have the function here. However, if I go to storage, you can see a breakdown of data on this Play Store, and of importance is this cache data. So these are just small files that Play Store normally collects and stores to enhance your user experience each and every time you use Play Store to download or install apps. But when these files accumulate, they might cause a problem. So to fix this, go to clear data here. And here you'll see we have currently over 13 MBs of cache data. If I tap on clear cache and then OK, now you can see the cache data, which also formed part of user data, has been cleared. At this point, restart your smartphone. Now head back to your Google Play Store, search for Duolingo app. So I'll search for Duolingo like that, and then tap on search here. From here, if I tap on it and install, now you can see I'm able to install Duolingo language app without any issue. So that's how you can fix can't install Duolingo app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.